Welcome to my series on trick padlocks from India. This one is a replica of an old design going way back. And the key, when you look at it, it's got a thread. So you might think that that actually goes on there and does something, but in actual fact that thread is just for removing this housing, which actually comes all the way off, although that's not necessary. Maybe it's a weatherproof system, but anyway, there's the keyhole where this key will go. And there's quite a lot of screw-in padlocks. This one is so worn that it almost doesn't work, but when you get it far enough, this will actually release. And you can just take the key out. Screw that back together again.